to get on with some of the stuff when I can. So that's why I'm at this today. And I thought I might as well put on TikTok live, because I haven't gone live on TikTok for a while. And there's a lot of people who have been watching me stuff there, especially this week. So I wanted to see if I can give something back. Loose trigger when I start with an east-wing thumb. We've got 2 bars here now, which is interesting there. Let's see what voltage she's throwing out. $17.62, good chargeable voltage, so I had her at that anyway. So hopefully she'll charge now when I put her together. Maybe this on the right way. It's a problem with these live streams, they distract your attention a little bit. But anyway, loose trigger. Is it something loose in her? But she does go. There's some of them with some sort of fault that she'll maybe not go, and then the next time you pull her the trigger she will go. And there's all sorts of nonsense goes on in Milwaukee there sometimes. It's kind of off-putting that some of their stuff goes like that, but they have good stuff too, you know, but it's just disappointing, some of their electronics like some downtime. But I couldn't take anything on at the minute. Like I say, I've got too much. I've got far too much at the minute. And it's going to come on for 20 minutes. Give you something live for a change, because it's been a while since I've been on. Hopefully it'll charge now after all that nonsense. It's charging anyway. No green light of death yet.